Hey tech enthusiasts, welcome back to the channel. Today we're exploring something truly awesome in the world of technology, a game changer for your home office or small business. The DeskJet 4258E all-in-one wireless inkjet printer. This incredible device is packed with features that will revolutionize the way you work and create, making it an indispensable tool for anyone looking to boost productivity and efficiency. From printing and scanning to copying and faxing, this all-in-one printer does it all with ease and precision, delivering crisp color documents, vibrant photos, and sharp text that will elevate your work to the next level. One of the standout features of the DeskJet 4258E is its ability to effortlessly handle multi-page documents with its 35-page automatic document feeder. Imagine being able to scan, copy, and fax large documents without having to manually feed each page, saving you time and reducing the risk of errors. This feature is a huge time saver, allowing you to focus on more important tasks while the printer takes care of the heavy lifting. Plus, with its fast printing speed and intuitive controls, you'll be able to get more done in less time, making it perfect for busy home offices or small businesses. But what really sets the DeskJet 4258E apart is its seamless wireless connection and integration with the HP Smart app. With this app, you can manage print, scan, and copy jobs directly from your smartphone or tablet, giving you the freedom to work from anywhere. Whether you're at home, in the office, or on the go, you can easily send documents to print, scan files, and even order ink, all from the convenience of your mobile device. And with its reliable dual-band Wi-Fi connectivity, you can trust that your printer will always be connected and ready to go, making it perfect for collaborative work environments. Another feature that's worth highlighting is the printer's compact and stylish design. Made from recycled materials, this printer is not only eco-friendly, but also sleek and modern, fitting perfectly into any home office or workspace. Its small footprint and energy-efficient design make it an excellent choice for those looking to reduce their environmental impact while still enjoying the benefits of a high-quality printer. And with its instant ink subscription, you can enjoy reliable ink management, with ink automatically delivered to your doorstep before you run out, ensuring that your documents always look their best. But what I think really gets me excited about the DeskJet 4258E is its potential to transform the way you work and create. With its advanced features and seamless connectivity, this printer is more than just a device. It's a tool that can help you unlock your full potential. Whether you're a student, a freelancer, or a small business owner, this printer has the power to streamline your workflow, enhance your productivity, and bring your ideas to life. So if you're looking for a printer that can keep up with your busy lifestyle and help you achieve your goals, look no further than the DeskJet 4258E. In conclusion, the DeskJet 4258E all-in-one wireless inkjet printer is an incredible device that offers a unique combination of performance, convenience, and sustainability. With its advanced features, seamless connectivity, and eco-friendly design, it's the perfect choice for anyone looking to take their home office or small business to the next level. So why wait? Find the link in the description below to get your hands on this amazing printer and start experiencing the power of effortless printing, scanning, and creativity. Trust me, you won't regret it. This printer is a game changer, and I'm excited to see the impact it will have on your work and life.